Class, let's take a look at the layer assignment. Notice that you've got 3 layers you need to create. An object layer, which is white, that's the actual part. The hidden layer, which is red, with the hidden line types indicated here. And the center layer, which is green with the center line type. You also have something different here in which we have 2 views of one part. So what you'll need to do is start by drawing this view first. Note that you have 3 circles. They all have the same center point. You can just start it wherever you like. You have the radius 2.5. You have a radius here, or you have a diameter here of 1.5, and this circle is a radius of 1.75. And on that circle it says you have 4 circles that are a diameter of 0.4. This means that they are equally spaced, so you can just put them on each one of the quadrants. Okay, and then to build this side here, I would go and draw a line from the center point here straight over 4.5, and that's where you have the center point for this circle and also this circle here. I would draw these all as circles, get them all in there, and then trim them. Note that you have a dimension here from the center point here over 3.88. What I would do is draw a circle, right? I just drew a line there, that distance, so you could draw a circle right at that end point, and that radius is 1.5. Once you get that circle in, note that you have these 2 little curves here. I think the easiest way to put those in would be to draw them as circles, and I always use tan radius because it would be tangent to this circle and this circle. We know that the radius is 0.26. Okay, so you get it in as a circle like that, put another one down there, tan radius, and then trim them. These lines here, note that those are tangent. Okay, so when you put the line in, you can use line command, go down and get your tangent O-snap. Okay, so that you are tangent from here and grab the other side. Note that it's not quadrant, because if it did, it would go all the way up to the top. Once that part is drawn, you can start drawing the bottom part down here. Okay, I'm going to turn a couple layers off here so you can see this a little better. Okay, note that these hidden lines, if I go to extend command, everything in that bottom view has to line up with something on the top view here. So for instance, if I extend these, look where they're coming from the quadrants of those circles. And this is really how I'm going to check your drawing. Alright, so if you turn your quadrant O-snap on, you can just draw all these lines down and then trim them. Okay, just like these center lines are coming from the center of that circle, the center of this circle, and this circle, and this circle, and then just trim them off. It says that you have fillets. Fillets are a radius of 0.12. These are your fillets here, here and here. You got one there, here, and then 2 on the end. Okay, so follow the directions, get everything in on the right layer and the right distance, and then to check your layers, the easiest way to check your layers is just go in and turn them all off. Okay, turn them all off, and then you can turn them back on one at a time, because this is basically how I'm checking your assignment. Check and make sure you have everything on the right layer. So there's my title block, there's my text, there's my objects, there's my hidden lines, there's my center lines. If I turn those all on one at a time, you can check and make sure you have everything on the correct layer. Alright guys, have fun with your layer assignment.